Hi, my name is Larry Bass, and I would like to share with you a cure for the hiccups. Last summer, I had a coronary valve replaced in my heart, and they gave me a pillow for coughing. You wrap my arms around for coughing. Well, I didn't cough, I just hiccuped. Now, I would like to tell you a cure for the hiccups. Just bring your elbows together or spread your shoulders together, and that's all it requires. And it takes about 2 seconds. And it works for about 98% of the people I've tried it on. And try it, it'll work. Just bring your elbows together or shrug your shoulders together, and it works. Thank you. Bye-bye.